BULL stock analysis and price predictions for tomorrow. Watch this 2-minute video and I'll tell you exactly whether this is a buy for me right now. Look dude, I've documented 49,000 live trades and analysis videos on this YouTube channel over the last 5.5 years. With all this data, I've seen what's working for me, what's losing me money, what's making me money. One thing that I want to say for sure with Webull is that if you zoom out, you'll probably see the monster of a bearish trend that we're currently in. I'm not saying this is going to be like a forever thing, but right now this is certainly a bearish market. And all I'm saying is that the likelihood we keep going down is just through the roof. I like to play with these bearish tickers and act as if they're bullish. For example, with Bull, there's quite a few receipts in the Discord. I have like 28 receipts just with Bull ticker. All I care about now though is just that second break above 632. Actually, it's below. What am I talking about? Because it's a sell side opportunity, right? I just inverted the price action and then I'm willing to take it down to that low at like 453. It would be a very simple trade as long as rules are met. That's where I'm currently sitting at, right? Obviously not financial advice. Pop out your chart. I mean, I want to hear your thoughts in the comments down below, but this is how things are looking like for me. For real-time updates, join the Discord. We got 450 members right there. But if you want to get my exact 3-step technical strategy, you know, if you want to jump on the winning sign completely free, link is in the description. See ya.